our question is my mind. That how to think in English? Is it possible to think in English? So why it happens we are not able to think in English? Because we are attached with our mother tongue. We are habitual with that. First we translate Hindi to English, then we speak. It takes a lot of time and create a lot of problem. By that we get stuck while speaking English. So अगर हम इस तरीके से ट्रांसलेट करते हैं जब बोलते हैं तो इस तरीके से हम we get stuck and we are not able to think in English. We become a translator. So translating is not going to work for becoming fluent. We have to think in English, then we can become fluent in English. So hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Improve with Jyoti. If you want to improve your English, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon जिससे कि आपको हमारी आने वाली सभी वीडियोस की नोटिफिकेशन मिलती रहे. So आज की वीडियो में हम जानने जा रहे हैं कि हम इंग्लिश में कैसे सोचें. What is that? Which tips are helpful for thinking English? So can we think in English or not? Yes, we can. We have to think in English for becoming fluent. So I am going to give you some tips. Those are very beneficial for thinking in English. Tip number 1. Whatever we do morning to evening, we have to describe that. Daily routine we can say. We have to summarize that. So what do you do? Like so first you woke up and you go for morning walk, you can say. After that I take bath and I prepare lunch, dinner. What do you do? Like I prepare breakfast and I get ready to my children to go to school. I went to school to leave my children and I bring my children from there. This type you have to summarize. And I do house chores, I cook lunch and I have to do many works. We can say as we are homemaker and if we are doing job in office, we have to go in office and there are also we have to do many works. If we suppose we are going to college, so we can say we have to go college. After getting ready, we have to go college and we come back and we met with friends. We do like there is canteen, we add something. This type you can summarize whatever you do morning to evening and what you did. You can say this as well. Whatever you did from morning to evening. In night, when you have to do in night, because whatever you did, you can say that time. 10 or 15 minutes, it will take not more time. You have to describe that. Okay? It is very beneficial. You have to do daily. After 1 month and you will automatically think in English if you are doing this thing daily way. Okay? So second tip, I am going to tell you one thing. Suppose you are in office and you are in home, if you are doing house chores and suppose you are going to college, then you can, so you have to see whatever you are looking, like you have to make sentence in your mind. Okay, this tip is also helpful. Suppose now I am sitting, so I can think in English. Like suppose I am sitting, I am making videos, I am doing like a conversation. First I thought I made some script, then I am speaking. This type of sentence I can think in our mind. We have to think in our mind. So it is also going to help you. We have to make some sentence in our head. Suppose we are on the road, so we can say road is very, there is no crowd today. It is very clear. And I am going there and I look there many shops and I purchase something. I told that shopkeeper it is not too, this type I should say that it is not too costly, you should less some price. This type we can think and you can describe this type of things in your mind that things are very pretty and people are looking just very good. Their nature is too good and like you can see like sunlight. Today is sunny. weather is very good. And cloudy, if that is cloudy, you can say cloudy. That is cloudy. You can think in English. Okay, you have to translate in your mind, not like a speak. Just translate in your mind. When you are meeting with some people, that person is looking nice. That is wearing good dress. Like this type, you have to translate in your mind. This was second tip. Third tip, I am going to tell you whatever you have. Like suppose I have this. Okay, this is the object. This is also, we have to describe things. Suppose I have a this shape is cube. We can describe like this. I am giving only example. There are many colors in this, and these all shapes are like a rectangle, not square shape. Okay, it is a square shape, and that is cube. There are many shades, as we can see, pink shade and green shade and purple shade. We can see pink and white. There are many colors. So this type, you have to describe any picture, any things, and you have at home, you have many things. Yes, you can describe that like objects. And then suppose you are in office, that you can say that I have to do that work. Today I have to complete my work. This type things you can say if you are in office. And suppose there are many objects in office as well. If suppose you are in school, there are also many things to describe. Then describe them. Okay, these are going to help you. And fourth tip I am going to tell you, that is like that you have to translate Hindi to English. It will in starting it is good, but after some time what will happen? You have to translate, think in English. It will by that what will happen? You will automatically think in English. In starting you are translating okay, but you have to not translate every time. It is not good. In starting you can do like a translate like a first we take like this is a glass and this is a glass. That is think in English. This is this. You have to translate. Okay. So these are very beneficial for everyone. And fifth tip I am going to tell you, it is very important, that what can you do on that phone? You can download like audio books. Okay. So in this what will you get? You will listen and you will read. Both things you can do together. Okay. So I had also downloaded. So in this what will happen? We are listening and we are reading as well. Okay. So this is also important. Listening and reading, we can do both together. If we suppose we are reading, so it will create in our mind. Okay. So if you don't have anything, then you can write whatever you have to do tomorrow. For tomorrow, what are you going to do plan? So you can write in your notebook. And if you have any conversation with someone, so you can write. I have to do and I have to give a speech there. So I have to say this thing. These things I am going to tell you in that speech. So that is also important. First, for that we think in English. Then we write. Then also we think. So it is also going to help you. If you like this video, please like and share and subscribe my channel.